Osteoporosis is an incurable condition that affects millions worldwide, making their bones brittle and prone to fracture. Current treatments can slow its progress, but they often come with risky side effects or lose effectiveness over time. An investigation on mice in 2025, led by researchers from the University of Leipzig in Germany and Shandong University in China, may have provided a new target for drugs to strengthen our skeleton. The team found a receptor called GPR133 plays a critical role in increasing the density of bones by activating cells called osteoblasts. Variations in the GPR133 gene had previously been linked to bone density, leading scientists to turn their attention to the protein it encoded. In the absence of the GPR133 gene, mice grew up with weak bones, resembling the symptoms of osteoporosis. When the receptor was present and activated by a chemical called AP503, bone production and strength improved. Not only did the team find that AP503 made osteoblasts work harder, it could also work in tandem with exercise to strengthen bones even further.